Now let's look at liquid loans at number 2, up 29%, 29k volume on the main pair under 22. I think there's 2 main liquid loan pairs. Let's have a look at the move here. This is the weekly charts. Let's look at the daily quickly. We'll give a little bit of daily tip. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now we knew this was going to happen, right? Because all the blue chips would get re-rated as PulseChain goes, and we're still on beginning wave 2. That's crazy, guys. Crazy where this could go. But anyway, we got the 122k liquidity, 29k volume, and the market cap is now 1.9 million. And remember, as QQ pointed out, sacrifice was 52 mil. Obviously, you got to spend money to launch these products. They've launched 3 products so far. Liquid loans being the main one and the biggest liquidity fork on PulseChain. 52 mil. Let's say they spent 10 million on that, 5 mil. Let's say they had 45 mil plus interest. Probably I don't know necessarily back to 52 mil, but certainly pretty good there. So the market cap differential is pretty massive, right? What's that, 25 to 1, is it? Something like that. We got the price there looking pretty good at 5.01310 on the US dollar. Let's have a look at the weekly candle system, make this a little easier to look at. We'll take the bottom here, shall we? Take the bottom from 6 zeros, 1100. Obviously, the recent height was a bit higher than that, but let's take it from the bottom here. And over the last 77 days, so 11 weeks, it's up 1,060%, which is in line with QQ. It is up 11.6x over that time frame. And if we take the slightly shorter time frame from the higher level there for 6 zeros, 1400, it is still up, in 35 days, up 815%, so 9.1x. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty awesome. QQ says, lol, yeah, for sure. Most of it got eaten up. It is what it is. Still a good product. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah. But hey, look, you can keep being at all with the differentials. Pretty crazy, right? That money would have been better off just buying Hex or Pulse or something, dude. Anyway, so it is what it is. It is what it is. But that's kind of where we're at right now. So 13.10, looking pretty good. Let's look at the pulse ratio quickly on liquid loans. It is our largest liquidity fork, and it's at 0.09, so 900th of a pulse per liquid loan at the moment. It's come all the way up from 200th of a pulse per liquid loan, and that's pretty much it. So